up now. What game you playing there? Oh, you're watching the stream. Nice, nice. Yeah, guys, welcome to the crafting corner. We're here behind the scenes, making crafts with the kids. You know, how you enjoying it so far, bro?
Not good.
Huh? You measure it, bro.
I feel like it's enough.
Measure it.
Yeah.
You want me to help you measure it? Put your hands, bro. Put your hands. Let me help you. Put your hands.
You want it?
Nice. Maybe, let me see. Can I see? Move your finger. Nice. Maybe you need to put one more bead. Put one more bead and then complete. Yeah, guys. So we're here teaching the guys, the youths, how to make the accessories, as you can see. Right? Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Watching behind the scenes of the crafting corner.
Hey, subscribe. Hey, subscribe. At 12 days ago. Hey, follow. One more complete.
Good job, bro. Let me try and hold this for me. And now we're trying to remove. No, you listen. Listen here, please. Trying to remove the knot. Remove the knot. You could leave it till after, but let me remove it first. Okay? Then, guys, check this out. As I showed all that before. Alright, you lay it down like so. Yes, you can because you're done finish making the grease sturdy, but you'll come back for the snacks. What you do? Or you want to hold the camera?
No, like I'm telling you. Okay. Okay.
But you have to record us because I'm teaching them how to do the thing.
Why so wiggly?
Because your hand is weak. Leave it! You was perfect. I was trying to show them this.
Oh, wait, you're done?
No. So guys, I'm showing you, right? You're taking the card. You first crisscross it like that, right? And you're taking the card, and then you're passing it under. Passing it under like so. And then
say peace. Say I said. I told you.
Oh, the mute. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All you have to do is lower it down in there. Yeah, thanks. So yeah, Adrian, you watching? Adrian's turn now to finish his bracelet. So Adrian, you take the right, you go under, and you go over the left one. You take the left one and put it through the hole. Alright? Don't shake it up too much. Then you go left with under the next one, over the right one, take the right one, pass it through the hole. You have to do this about 5 times. One, you do it 2 on each side. This side, then under for this side, and over the other side. Pull it tight. Thank you, Brody.
For security.
No, I see my man. How you put the camera?
Leave it.
No, don't touch it. And that should be it here, right? Nice. Oh, just put the next one because Adrian big is a big boy and put 3 on each side.
No, nobody don't have to just watch. You don't even wiggly at all.
Good job, thank you. So guys, like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and sign up for the crafting corner on my website, greensera.com.
Alright, look at my bracelet, guys. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Damn. Watch the real man. The person who told me to join it. I know he disrespect a little.
Damn. He disrespect one.
He respect one a little child.
Sorry.
That's more just one.
Sorry.
Oh, that's not good. Not gonna lie.
Sorry. Sorry for the fire. Sorry for the
Little
smoke,
bit.
guys.
Oh, that's not good.
Right.
Adrian,
But
the puma.
basically, that's how you do that.
Adrian, puma.
Next, Adrian, you have to put the beads. The two beads that you choose. Where are they? I thought to burn that side.
Yeah, I put it yellow.
I thought you to put it close. Where you gonna hide it?
I got 22 bullets.
I never gonna hide it.
No, he put it somewhere. The D
Where
and the D.
eh?
The A and the D. So why didn't put it inside here? You needed it here. Here you needed it. Where did you put it?
Where the D? No, you was to put it back.
Where they eating?
Yeah,
You
that
had
one
an
on
A.
the car.
You had the A or the D.
I had both.
Did
and
it
I put
fall?
back. Let me see. Couldn't have fall.
They fall.
I think so. So let's choose our next.
Yeah. Oh, you maybe have a J inside it.
Why G? Because they're putting your name and your surname.
Yeah.
Awesome.
A.
I shall do that to mine. I shall put a J for the end. You know,
Yeah.
I could take up mine and put a J.
I got
Nice. So put your first letter and then we have to choose clear beads, they say?
You know, I could
beads.
take up mine and put a J.
No, sir.
No, take all this now.
Look, there are two clear
I'm
beads here.
gone. Look at what taking it. Also, I'll be crying.
Put one at a time. We're doing it one at a time.
One
A
at a
first.
time.
Remove this, press this down, and take the white clear bead, put it to the hole, and then you have to get a knot, Adrian.
Put it where the camera can see it. Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, the camera can see both of them.
Perfect. Good job. Then you have to get a knot. You know how to get a knot? You want me to get a knot for you? But you have to get a knot right in the end, in the edge.
in the edge, like the edge.
Edge. Like the video, turn on post notifications, guys. Subscribe to the Crafting Corner on YouTube at Green Zara channel. Let's go.
Also, that type.
Let me do it.
Cause I actually had.
You could go wide. Watch me. You could go wide and then come near in the end. See that? Yeah, she not no fail. Look, right in the edge. You see that? It's coming off. It's slipping off. So I'm gonna do it again.
You got the thing tight.
Nice.
Wait, hold on.
Keep slipping.
Now I gotta spin the block.
No, come back, please. Let me finish, and then you can do whatever you want. We have to learn to finish. We have to be completers, guys. We can't be jumping around.
I could show the wall.
The G, how the G going?
Outside?
So, right? So. The G
I
going
can show the wall outside. When you finish, I can show the wall outside.
No.
The
No.
wall?
Yes, like show the wall. Nice grenade eyes.
Sure, that's a good one, but not right now. Guys, this is how you finish up the last bit in the bracelet. So you just beat a knot like here, like so. Right? And then pull it tight. Right? And then you have your AJ bracelet. AJ bracelet. Like bun it, and then you can wear it. You can try it on.
No, baby. I remember when you had dogs. They do shoot dogs. They could do this. I say right. Oh, this is my side. Oh, I say right. Oh,
So yeah, bro. Time to try on your bracelet.
It's finally time.
What do you think about it? Rate it from 1 to 10.
give me that.
Wait, don't touch mine.
Give me that guy.
So give me yours.
Okay. Are you gonna?
Right. True.
Guys, I want y'all to rate each bracelet from 1 to 10. Which one get the best one?
If you want a 10, I give my one as blue.
You can open it wider than that, Brody. Very, very wide.
Yo,
And
let
you
the
hold-
camera
you hold
see
one,
it.
hold it.
You make me pick the camera lower and lower.
Sorry, Brody. What do you think about his bracelet?
Oh my gosh. No back down. No back up.
Yeah.
Fine.
What do you think about his bracelet? The AJ in the end and natural wooden beads with black beads. Put a mixture of black beads in the end. What does that represent? I don't know. Maybe the leg bar and the.
I know what my bracelet represents.
So hands on, hands in, both hands in.
The black.
Everybody hands in.
Caleb, the black is from my mother and the brown. I mean the black is from my father and the brown is from my mother.
Nice. Everybody hands in. Everybody hands in. Which one is the best, guys? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Who do you think is the best? Is it Adrian or is it Mali? Is it Mali or Adrian? Put a A for Adrian and an M for Mali in the chat. An M for Mali.
No, O.
A O for O'Malley.
O'Malley.
Put a O for O'Malley and an A for Adrian in the chat. Who wins? Who wins? Who got the best bracelet? Who got the best bracelet? Talk to me.
High five. High five, Grandma. High five. High five.
All right.
High five.
Did we get a comment? Anybody commenting?
On your mother? Wow. That's so sad.
Yeah. But somebody did comment.
3 people watching.
Yes, I can't see this comment. Hold on.
So let's back shot. We going out. We going out. We going out of space.
Yeah, they look both. Yeah, they both look cool to me. O and A. Yeah, somebody say yeah. Yeah, I won't even say that. So O and A. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for all the likes. Please like, share this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
Yeah. I like the video. Make sure to share to your friends and all the time.
No, don't touch the mic. Leave the mic on the table and don't touch the mic.
Yo, and answer in the comments. What does this symbol mean? I know what that means.
What does that mean?
You don't know? There's a help.
Help?
Help. Yes, this is help.
This is help?
Yes, that's help. If you go on any website and see that's a thumbs up on your hand, it's help.
Wow.
So if you actually want to say help in without actually saying it, just put up this.
But we don't need no help. We don't need no help. So yeah, guys. That was another crafting corner for y'all.
You see, I need to put the pot.
If y'all enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
One more to the left.
I got 22 bullets.
Like, I put the pot first. I can see the hearts popping up. But it did more in the corner. You see it?
I got 22 bullets inside of the corner.
I see. I see now.
You go, I go.
So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching.
If I forgot you have things.
Let's see if we could transition into a game. Who wanna play a game? What game we should play on Roblox?
Oh, serious?
Creature scenario.
You know what?
No.
Creatures are scenario?
Yeah.
Bet?
Who's ready to play a game?
Right now?
Yes, right now.
Yeah. Mali, you know what we are to play now.
God, I love you. To this world, oh God, I love you.
Creatures of scenario coming back from.
God bless my nation. God
God bless my nation. God bless Grenada. God bless Grenada. God bless Grenada.
After the toilet.
Alright, see this.
Bye.
Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're going in. See you all in the next video. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.